Today we'll be discussing Total Quality Management, or TQM, and how it can be applied to everyday life. TQM is a management approach that seeks to optimize the quality of products and services through continuous improvement, the involvement of all stakeholders, and a customer-focused mindset. To apply TQM daily, one must first understand that quality is not just a feature of a product or service, but a way of life. In other words, quality is not just a task to be completed, but a mindset to be embraced. With that in mind, let's explore a real-world case study that exemplifies TQM in action. For instance, Toyota encourages its workers to stop the production line if they identify a quality issue, allowing them to investigate and resolve the problem before continuing production. This practice not only improves the quality of the product, but also empowers workers to take ownership of the production process. Additionally, Toyota uses a just-in-time inventory technique, which involves producing only what is needed, when it is needed, and in the amount needed. This helps minimize waste and improve efficiency, allowing Toyota to respond quickly to changes in customer demand. In conclusion, Total Quality Management is a management approach that seeks to optimize the quality of products and services through continuous improvement, involvement of all stakeholders, and a customer-focused mindset. The Toyota Production System is an excellent example of TQM, highlighting the importance of empowering workers, continuously improving processes, and focusing on customer needs. Thank you for your attention today. Please do not forget to subscribe and like.